Namaste, welcome to this video. So let us see the question. The current shown in the figure below is passed through a 2 ohms resistor. The question is to determine the average power absorbed by the resistor 2 ohms. Okay, so the figure is this. This is the figure I of t given. So what we are required to find is average power absorbed by 2 ohms resistor. This is what we need to find. This is the goal. The goal is to find this value. Okay, so this is a periodic signal. It's a periodic signal, right? So what is a period? The period is going to be 4 seconds, because this is the portion that repeats, right? This is the portion that repeats every time. So therefore 4 seconds is the fundamental time period. Now if you see the formula is going to be 1 by t naught. So integration over t naught. So x square of t into dt. This is only true if R is equal to 1 ohm, correct? But in the question they have given R is equal to 2 ohms, right? So now we have to consider this R also. So let us go to the next page. So therefore, average power is going to be now 1 by t naught. So the integration over t naught. Since they have given the current, right? So the power is going to be I square of t into R into dt, right? Let us substitute for these values. So this is going to be 1 by 4, right? This is going to be 1 by 4, and this is 0 to 4. So I square of t into 2 into dt. Therefore this is 1 by 2. So 0 to 4. So I square of t into dt. So all we need to find is, what is this expression for? So I of t. So once you know the expression for I of t, square it and take the integration. So let us solve this problem using two methods. So method 1, it is going to be based on the expression, and method 2 is based on inspection. So let us start with the first method. Method 1. So let us redraw the signal. So this is the signal given. So 10 and minus 10 to 4, right? This is 10 and this is minus 10. This is 0 to 4. So this is t and this is I of t. Since it is periodic, I am taking for one time period. So we need to get this expression. So what is the expression for I of t? So it is going to be, this is the ramp, right? It's a ramp. What is the slope? Change of y by change of x. So change of y by, this is 10, change of x is 2 into t. Okay, so this is for 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 2. And if you take this now, this is going to be minus 10 for 2 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 4. Okay, this is 5. So 5t is for 0 to 2, and 2 to 4 it is minus 10. So now if you know this one expression, so all we need to substitute this in the formula. So go to the formula. So average power is going to be 1 by 4 for 0 to 2, it is 25t square into dt, plus this is the 2 to 4, it is 10 square, this is 100 into dt, correct? Yeah, so it should be 1 by 2, right? So it should be 1 by 2. So this now 1 by 2, so this is 25 t cube by 3, 0 to 2, and it is going to be 100 into 2. So because the integration for dt is t, and if you substitute for the limits, upper minus lower, 4 minus 2, it is going to be 2. So this is 1 by 2, 25 into 2 cube 8, right? 8 by 3 plus 200. and this will come out to be now. So this is going to be 1 by 2, 200 by 3 plus 200. So which is equal to, so 600 plus 200, 800, 800 by, so this is going to be 600 plus 200, 800 by 6. So this is the average power 800 by 6 watts. Okay, so this is the average power using the method 1. Let us go to the method 2 and solve this. So let us see the method 2. Okay, so in method 2 we'll solve this by inspection. So this is the portion 10 minus 10, and this is I of t 0 to 4. All we need is the energy for this signal. Okay, so for that we need to square this. If you square this signal, so it is going to be parabola like this, and you'll get this. So this is 100, this is 0, this is 2, this is 4, and so this is a parabola whose area is, so 1 by 3 into width. What is the width? Width is 2, height is 100. So what about this? So this is going to be rectangle whose the width is 2, height is 100. So therefore the total area of this squared signal is going to be, so 200 by 3 plus 200. Correct? This is the area of this squared signal. So we need to get this. This is 600 plus 200. How much is this? 800. 800 by 3. So this is the area under I square of t. Now if you see the formula now, the formula is going to be average power is going to be 1 by t. So integral for t naught. So I square of t into r into dt, right? So what is r here? R is given as 2. So 2 by t naught. This is going to be energy of t naught. So this is 2 by, this is going to be 4, and this is 800 by 3. So which is going to be 800 by, so 2 ones are 2 twos are 800 by 6 watts. Okay, so hope you understand this video. So let us stop the video here. When we meet next time, so we'll come up with the next question. Till then, take care. Namaste.